Hello trader, I'm gonna show you exactly how I made $19,000 massive profit on gold using local breakdown. Now local breakdown is probably you have heard of, I'm talking a lot. Now today I'm gonna show you exact technique with proven track record that we traded in this live environment that probably many of you also have made a massive profit from those trades. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I use local breakdown on gold to find an incredibly profitable trading opportunity. Sound interesting? Then smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so firstly, let me explain what is in fact a local breakdown, and then we'll jump onto the chart to show you the real track record so as soon as you finish video, you can use in your trading to make money from gold every single day. So looking at this structure here, okay, this is an ideal scenario. There could be different scenario. We'll be looking at all of them, but firstly, let's assume that a market is moving in that way. So when you see a market is moving, creating series of higher high and higher low, which is we called an uptrending market structure. So when you see a market in an uptrending market structure and respecting a level, that is what we call a trend line. Now once you see that trend line, at some point you could see that this trend line is broken, and this is where the impatient retail traders are caught up, because when the market breaks the trend line, this is a local trend line. Why it is a local? Because we are not considering the global trend in the market. This is we're considering in the lower time frame, such as on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes. This is a local trend line to the upside. Now once the market breaks against the trend line, this is where the high probability trade comes in, and the impatient trader mostly will start to short this market. They will say, okay, the market was going to the upside in an uptrend, the market has broken the trend line, so the market must be dropping towards the downside. Now what happened is that after this break of this trend line, the market has come down and then form a reversal. Now we formed this one, we are considering as a double bottom in an uptrend. In a downtrend, if it is in a downtrend breaking to the upside, we can consider a double top. It could be many other form. It could be head and shoulder, it could be inverted head and shoulder based on, or just a consolidation. The main point here is to identify the structure that which is in fact a smart money area. Now what is a smart money area? Smart money area is the big boy zone where they are buying or selling from the market. In fact, this local breakdown is done by the big boys, the bigger investor who are the main player in the market, moving the market. They manipulate the market to break this, and then when the market form this structure, this is where the smart money again buy, and the reason they break this is to grab liquidity. As you know, the liquidity is the fuel of the market. So with that breakdown, we saw that the market has formed, this is a resistance level here, and from that zone we saw that the market has broken to the upside. Now when we enter a trade, there is a specific strategy. If you have a strategy, will tell you exactly when to enter a trade. So once the market has broken down here, what we saw again after this reversal, the price has started to move towards the upside. This is where things become interesting, because here also many retail trader might be caught, because as you can see, when the market has gone up, it highly likely will come back down again to test this neckline of this previous resistance, which is turning support. Now there is still a little bit of confusion may happen. Many retail trader might think that okay, there is a breakdown, form a reversal, has gone up, tested this previous resistance, support as a resistance, tested this previous support as a resistance, the price is rejecting, means that it is a valid breakout, the market might be dropping. Now it can be happen, that's why trading is all about probability. But in majority of the case, what you will see when the market creates this kind of local breakdown, you see the market will test this neckline of this previous resistance as a support in an uptrend, and in a downtrend the other way around, and the market will take its flight from here. Now to enter a trade from here, definitely we look at specific kind of price action pattern that we use in our strategy. Now let's look at in the real chart, real trade examples with a proven record how this local breakdown happens. Okay traders, so let's see the real trade. Now as you can see on the screen, this is a live trade, and massively the price has bounced from that level to create this huge move towards the upside. Now let's see what did we consider in the trade, what is that local breakdown used in the trade, so that you guys know exactly with this proven trade and take home to make profit from the market. Now if we look at this market, this is the 5-minute chart, you can see that this is a local uptrend, very simply. Now if you draw this trend line here, you can see every time the price is coming to this support level, bouncing off, and what you saw that there is a double bottom here, the price has broken to the upside, tested the neckline of this previous resistance, turn support, change its local downtrend to a local uptrend, and we saw the price respecting this trend line, this support here, support here, support here, as we explained earlier. Now in that trade, what I was waiting for a local breakdown. Now what happened? Let's replay the chart. As you can see, this is where the market had a local breakdown, and this is what I was discussing in that live trade, that the price highly likely will bounce up. Now let's look at what happened in that trade. Now if you look at that, you can see the price is forming a typical reversal pattern, and that's where the market, you can see this is what exactly happened that we expected. The price has a local breakdown, form an inverted head and shoulder, and the price has broken towards the upside. Now it is not necessarily that you need to name it, there has to be a consolidation, any kind of pattern to return back to the upside. And as you can see with this doji, the price has formed that pattern that we are expecting, and the price has broken towards the upside. As you can see afterwards in the next candle, exactly the price tested this neckline of this previous resistance, turn support, and from that zone the market, exactly according to the script, started to break towards the upside and created this massive move on gold. Within a very short term, there is a huge profitable trade. Now let me show you more examples so that you guys understand as soon as you finish this video. Okay, so let's see this example, same time frame on the 5 minutes. Now what we have seen, then there is a drop, correction, drop, correction, drop, correction. The price is forming series of lower high and lower low, which is a downtrend, and the price is respecting this resistance level here, resistance here, resistance here, and also resistance here. Now with that resistance, we saw that suddenly the price has broken out of this level with an impulse and created a reversal pattern here. Now this is a typical head and shoulder, you can identify it very clearly. Now as an impatient trader, most traders started to buy this market, as they might say, okay, there is a gap opening, the market has started to rise, without thinking that there is a trend line here that has broken and the price is going directly against the trend without proper reversal or proper retest. And we saw that afterwards the price in fact has formed a head and shoulder and then started to drop. Now with that drop, we saw that the market with that head and shoulder. The price is completely separated from this head and shoulder with this long bearish candle and leaving a neckline. This is the smart money area. Now in that local breakdown, it is very important that one must identify the smart money area where the smart money is buying and selling, and the price needs to reject from that smart money area. Now we see that from that level, from the same previous support down resistance, in fact gold has, after testing this level, there is a massive move happen. As you can see, this is a massive move, and once you can identify this kind of level, it becomes much easier for a trader to find the right entry point after a local breakdown, as once the market creates the local breakdown, it gains new momentum for bigger move either to the upside or downside. I strongly believe that guys, you enjoyed this video, and also if you want to learn our strategies and also to trade with us in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy, there is a link in the description area, and also you can see the website address on the screen. You can visit the website, join us to learn our strategies and also to trade with us. Thank you. I'll see you soon in the next one.